Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Static CPP. As I mentioned in my last video, today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting facts of the functors. So if you haven't watched my video on functors yet, I would like to recommend you to watch it first and then come back here, as it has a theory part and a basic example. And the same basic example I am going to use in this video. So this is the example we have used in the previous video and the same I am going to use here. So now let's start with one of the interesting facts of the functors. So that is, the functor can be overloaded. Yes, you heard right. The functor can be overloaded just like any other normal functions we do. And we can make the functors constant. I mean constant functions, just like constant functions. We have the constant functions, right? So if the function is constant, we are not allowed to modify anything inside the function. In the same way, the functor is also going to work. So let's modify this example to prove that just what I mentioned. First, I am going to make the operator overloading routine to constant. Let's make it constant. And this is same as the constant functions, right? So the constant functions will not allow anything to modify inside its body, right? The same thing is applicable for our functors as well. So I have made this operator overloading routine to constant. Let's run and see the output. Yes, the output what we are getting is perfectly all right, because we are passing in the first functor we are passing 2 and 3, second functor 1 and 1, and in the third functor 2 and 2. So whatever the results we are getting, those are perfectly all right. So we can make the operator overloading routine into constant. Now we have constant functors, and as I already mentioned, we can overload the functors just like any other normal functions. So let me overload the functors. So our previous operator overloading routine takes two parameters. Now I'm creating a routine with just one parameter and would like to add both the member variable and the parameter. Sorry, let me make it b and let me make it a constant routine. For our understanding, let me create one more overloaded routine. So in this routine, so in the third routine, I am passing a parameter of type double and returning the value of type double. So we have overloaded the operator overloading routines, and for the sake of understanding, let me put the print statements in each routines. Yes, our print statements are ready for each and every overloaded routines. So let's create the functors for these overloaded routines. Let me modify these result statements. So I'm trying to call a routine with an integer parameter, and the second functor a parameter of type double, and the third routine two integer type parameters. Let's run this. Yes, we got the result. The first result is saying 2, the second result 10.9, and third result 5. Yes, so already the functors have the state, that is a is equal to 1, and 1 will be added to these parameters, right? 1 will be added with 1, and 1 will be added with 9.9, and 1 will be added with 2 plus 2, and the result what we have got is perfectly all right. So this proves that we can overload the functors. That's all I wanted to prove in this video. I am gonna create one more video where we can create virtual and pure virtual functors with an example. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, like, share and comment for latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.